G'day everyone, I'm Wayne, Land of Bay Fishing. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and like if you get anything out of this video. This video is about the FG knot. It's a simple, easy version, something that is so simple you will use it. I know personally, uni to uni for me nearly every time because I can tie that thing with my eyes shut. This version of the FG knot I did get off YouTube. I'll link the channel that I got it from down below, so it isn't my knot. It's not something that I thought up myself by any stretch of the imagination. I'm definitely not that smart. Let's get on with it. A simple version of the FG knot. 25 pound leader, 16 pound braid. You can go lighter. The lighter you go, it does get a little bit more tricky to tie, but it's not that much harder. Take the leader in your hand, just the tag end of the leader, probably about 10 centimeters, or in old scale about 4 inches. That's probably about it there. Grab your main line, pull a bit off, and this one here is just it's tied without tension, so it goes in between your thumb and your forefinger, so right in the middle. Right in the middle of your thumb and forefinger, and that's fairly critical to keep it right in the middle, and you'll see why as we go. Take the tag end of your main line and cross it over the top. Now what you do here is you get both the top like a cross and put it in the center of your finger. Now the knot's going to come forward along your tag end from there, so all goes under first, so under for your tag end, and you'll feel it click up and you'll see this line move. That's one full turn, feel it click up and you'll see this line move. It's one full turn with that, then you do one full under, half, one, and you keep going like that until we've done a dozen or so turns. 2, 2, 3, 3, under, over, under, over. Now as it moves forward, you bring your thumb and your forefinger forward. Under, over, under, over. 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10. It's just starting to come forward a bit, so I move my thumb and forefinger forward a little bit. It creates a little bit more space to do it. We've done 10, that's 11, 11, keep that straight, 12, 12. Now if you've done it right, you should be able to take your finger off now and you'll see the beginning of your FG knot. So what we want to do now is you take your main line and your tag end and run them together. So you take this, you go under, back over and leave a loop. Then you take this through the back of it back toward you. So around the back toward you and pull it down. Now this part here is easier with your teeth. And cinch it up. Once it's done that, you do a second one around both of them. So under and back over, form the loop, back in through the back of it, pull it down and tighten that up. You can see the beginning of it there. Once you've done that, just work it a little bit in so it pulls in, and then you lock it off. There's your main line, this is your tag end for your main line, and you do the same thing, 2 half hitches around your main line only. You go around it, come back through the back toward you and lock it off. That's one. Pull it up and do a second one. Through the knot, pull it down, and give it a good strong pull. Work it back nice and flat. Once you've done that, cut your tag ends. And there you have an FG knot that probably doesn't look as absolute pretty as the FG knots you do with tension, but I can tell you now, it works. That's it from me. Hope you got something out of it. If you did, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.